Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. Today we're diving deep into the upcoming iPad Mini 7 and why it might be a smart move to hold off on your purchase until we see what's coming. Apple's been consistently raising the bar with each new device release, and we're expecting the iPad Mini 7 to be no different. However, with so much excitement around its potential launch, essential to consider whether now's the right time to upgrade or if waiting could get you a more powerful and feature-packed device. One of the biggest reasons to wait is the likelihood of significant hardware upgrades in the iPad Mini 7. But rumors suggest that the iPad Mini 7 could be equipped with either an upgraded A17 Bionic or even a modified version of the M1 chip. Such a leap in processing power would dramatically improve performance for multitasking, gaming, and professional applications, making it a far superior device. For those who love to game or work with graphic-intensive applications, an upgraded GPU can make all the difference. The iPad Mini 7's rumored graphics improvements would ensure smoother frame rates, better rendering, and an overall enhanced visual experience, making it a powerhouse for both creative professionals and casual users alike. Another major reason to hold off on purchasing the current iPad Mini is the possibility of a major display upgrade. With each iteration, Apple has been perfecting its display technology, and the iPad Mini 7 could introduce some groundbreaking changes. Speculation is rife that the iPad Mini 7 could come equipped with a mini LED or even OLED display. This would offer better contrast ratios, improved brightness, and deeper blacks, resulting in a superior visual experience. Apple's software updates are always a highlight, and the iPad Mini 7 is likely to ship with the latest version of iPad OS, which could bring new features tailored specifically for the updated hardware. The next version of iPad OS is rumored to include enhanced multitasking capabilities, such as a more refined split view and slide-over feature. This would allow users to work with multiple apps simultaneously with even greater ease, making the iPad Mini 7 a versatile tool for productivity. One common gripe among tablet users is battery life, especially for those who use their devices heavily for streaming, gaming, or professional work. Apple is reportedly focusing on optimizing power efficiency for the iPad Mini 7, which could translate into a significantly longer battery life. This means you're likely to get the iPad Mini 7 at a similar price to the Mini 6 when it first launched, but with significant enhancements. Alternatively, if you're not too fussed about having the latest model, the release of the iPad Mini 7 could drive down the price of the Mini 6, making it a more affordable option. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share.